Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to add page in WordPress. So all you have to do is simply go to any web browser and then log into your WordPress account. And as you can see here on the left side, there are features like stats. We have here plugins, comments, and other things. So all you have to do is just simply go to pages, tap pages here, and then once you tap pages, you will see options like all pages and add new page. So if you tap that add new page, you will see this page right here where you can add page and you can add blank page, or you can get template from any of this, or you can use these templates here. Actually, my WordPress is kind of different because this one is an old version. So maybe we have different styles, features, and designs because I'm using the old version of WordPress and you're using the new version of WordPress. So if you go back to pages and tap all pages, you will see this one. To add a page in WordPress, you just have to tap this add a page here, and this is what it looks like. So as what I've mentioned earlier, you can choose any or from any of these templates here, or you can tap this blank page and you can create your own style or way. Okay, so if I'm going to tap this blank page, this is what it looks like. We have here add title. This is the title. So let's just say my page is all about services. Okay, so people can see my services here. If they visit my site and tap this page, they will see all information about my services. So here you can add paragraph, image, list, code, heading, everything is up to you. So this time I want to add image. So tap upload here. Let me import a photo from my device. So this is what it looks like. So let's just say I own a coffee shop. So this is what it looks like. Now, if you go to this right corner here or area, you will see here page summary. You can add excerpt. We have here write an excerpt, but this one is optional. You can add featured image, set featured image and discussion and page attributes. Okay. So if you go back here and let's just say you want to add something like headings, okay, or paragraph. Okay, so you can add something here. So headings. So this is just a sample. And then if you want to add again, you just have to tap this plus button and then you can add like code, and then you can tap this button again to add list. So everything is up to you. But this is how you add a page in WordPress. Very easy. All you have to do is to log in, go to pages, and then click all pages or add new page. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.